up, Boss Lady Crew? I'm back with another video, y'all. I've been on this vegan journey. And on top of that, I'm about to bring y'all a vegan taco salad. Everything vegan. Everything is vegan friendly. You know, I got the vegan cheese, the vegan milk, the vegan butter, the olives, the pickles, the sour cream, the milk. Baby, everything is vegan, dairy free. And then I got the walnut meat. Y'all, you can see the little pieces of walnut. I had been made this the night before. I had made a burger and then I just chopped it up, a walnut burger, and I just chopped it up or whatever. And I'm just gonna refry it. You should refry it and put it on that taco salad. There you go. And put a little taco seasoning on there. Then I get these little chips. These bust. You know, they bust. Especially on the taco salad, because you know you can't have the Doritos because it got the real cheese on there, baby. We vegans over here now, so we gonna make our own cheese to go on top. So we gonna take that meat that we just browned it up again, warmed it up, put it on top of them nachos. Then we gonna take our cheese. We gonna take our cheese. See how it look, y'all? It look like it's burnt, but it's not. So I put a little butter in the pot, a little milk. And then I put the dairy cheese. Everything is dairy. The dairy cheese, the dairy milk, and the dairy butter. And I'm going to mix all those together. The milk, the cheese, and the butter. To get it creamy so we can get that dipping cheese. That's my favorite cheese, y'all. And you can get it from Walmart. You can get everything from Walmart. Or Whole Foods, whatever you decide, whatever's closer to you. And we just gonna keep mixing till everything is like well melted. See how that is? That's how you want your cheese to be, boo. You want your cheese to be cheesing, you know? You want that cheese to be cheesing. So I had to dip my finger in there and get a little taste in there, you know? Now look at that. Baby, that look like real nacho cheese, don't it? It look like real cheese. But it's vegan cheese, you know? So I'm going to pour all of this over my nachos, honey. You can eat it like this. I keep saying nachos and I meant to say taco salad. But anywho, pour it all over there just like that. And then you're going to grab your tomatoes and you're going to cut them up and put them in there. Yeah, y'all, the reason why I went vegan is because I didn't want the soul ties from an animal no more. You know, I just got that feeling like where I don't want to eat meat no more. So that's why I converted over, and I've been finding like different recipes and different places to go to get vegan food. You know, people think just because you're supposed to just eat raw vegetables, eat raw fruits all day, and you're supposed to be cool. Especially when you converted over and you know how to cook and you got that flavor. So yeah, y'all, what's the taco salad without some pickles, baby? Even when it wasn't vegan, I was putting pickles in my taco salad. Then you're gonna get your lettuce and you're gonna put it on top, baby. It busts. You gotta try it. And then like a lot of food that I cook or whatever, it don't be tasting like, I mean, it's vegan. So, and then I get some green onion, put it on top. But a lot of food that I do prepare, my family, they still eat meat. And then they be tasting my food and they be like, ooh, this is so good. So yeah, y'all, on this channel, I'm going to be bringing some new stuff on this channel. Doing new things, new vlogs, and, you know, cooking vegan. You know, get them sour cream. That's vegan sour cream, y'all. It's thick. It's pretty thick. You know, that was my first time trying that one out. I think I'm going to try out another one. I only like it when it's in certain stuff. But far as like eating it by itself, I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. Then I'm gonna take some of this taco seasoning sauce and I'm gonna put it on top. Ooh, baby. This taco salad is loaded, baby. You ain't depriving yourself. You ain't missing out when you're on my channel if you're vegan. Baby, we don't do that. My favorite flavor palate, this tongue, baby, it be, I need some food, some good food, baby. I need that taste. If I'm gonna eat it, I need some taste to my food. I need some seasonings. I need my food to be food, you know? And that's how it look, y'all. Ooh wee. I ain't get a video, but my son helped me. He's a non-vegan, and he helped me dog these. Like, he helped me dog them. It was busting, y'all. Y'all gotta make them. So easy. Make y'all some. All right, peace.